নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল মোৰ নাম কুলদীপ শৰ্মা আৰু আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট টেষ্ট সিৰিজ অন আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰী নাও দিছ ইজ গোইং টু বি এ ৰেপিড টেষ্ট মই বেছি এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন কৰি নাথাকোঁ দিছ টেষ্ট সিৰিজ কম্প্ৰাইজেছ অফ 120 কুৱেশ্যনছ চ' মই প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো কৈ যাম আপোনালোকে নিজে এনচাৰ কৰিব ট্ৰাই কৰিব তাৰ পাছত মই এনচাৰটো কৈ দিম ঠিক আছে আহক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট ন'ন ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেল কিং অফ কামৰূপ ৱাজ কামৰূপৰ প্ৰথমজন হিষ্টৰিকেল ৰজাৰ নাম কি আছিলে এনসাৰ ইজ মহিৰংগ দানৱ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 ঘাটক ৱাজ দ্য লিডাৰ অফ এনসাৰ ইজ কিৰতচ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 3 The Kamrup king who took part in the Mahabharat war was মহাভাৰতৰ যুদ্ধত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰা কামৰূপৰ ৰজাজনৰ নাম কি আছিল Answer is ভগদত্ত Next question The character of Chand Sadagar is found in the tale of Chand Sadagarক কোনটো ষ্টৰীত পোৱা যায় Answer হ'ল বেহুলা Next question number 5. Sonitpur was the capital of. Answer is King Ban. Ban Rajar capital asil Sonitpur. Next question. The first king, known king of the Varman dynasty was. Varman dynasty prothomjon Rajar nam ki asile founder kun asile Varman dynasty. The answer is Pushya Varman. Question number 7. The city of Eastern astrology was City of Eastern astrology বুলি কোনখন চিটিক কোৱা হৈছিলে The answer is Pragjyotishpur Question number 8 The king of Kamrup who cultivated friendship with Harshavardhana was Harshavardhaনৰ লগত বন্ধুত্ব কৰা কামৰূপৰ ৰজাজনৰ নাম কি আছিলে Answer is very simple Bhaskar Barman Question number 9. The Digholi Pukhuri in Guwahati is associated with. The answer is Bhagadatta. Question number 10. The ruins of Da Parvatiya temple is supposedly dedicated to. The answer is Shiva. Shivak dedicate kora hoisile mondirtu. Question number 11. The title Kumar Raja was associated with. Kumar Raja বুলি কাক কোৱা হৈছিলে The answer is Bhaskar Barman কাৰণ তেখেতে বিয়া পতা নাছিলে Question number 12. The ambassador sent by Bhaskar Barman to Harshavardhan was named. Bhaskar Barmane পঠোৱা মেসেঞ্জাৰৰ জনৰ নাম কি আছিলে Hangsha Vega Answer is Hangsha Vega. Question number 13. Huan Sang visited Kamrup during the reign of. কাৰ ৰাজত্বৰ সময়ত Chinese traveler Huan Sang অসমলৈ আহিছিলে The answer is Bhaskar Barman. Bhaskar Barmanৰ সময়ত আহিছিলে Question number 14. The Nidhanpur grant was issued by Bhaskar Barman to কাক ইস্যু কৰা হৈছিলে To the Brahmins. Question number 15. A detailed description of the Kamakhya temple is given in the Kamakhya Mandiৰৰ detailed description quote কৰা হৈছে কোনখন গ্ৰন্থত কৰা হৈছে That is the Kalika Puran. Kalika Puranৰ detailed description কৰা আছে Kamakhya Mandiৰৰ Question number 16. Huan Sang's account specifically states two kinds of trees esteemed by the people of Kamrup. One of these was The answer is jackfruit. কঁঠালৰ গছ কামৰূপত খুব কঁঠালৰ গছ পোৱা গৈছিলে হিউৱেন চাঙে ৰেকৰ্ড কৰি থৈ গৈছে Question number 17. The rule of the Burman dynasty came to an end with. The answer is Bhaskar Barman. Burman dynasty অন্তিমজন শেষৰজন ৰজাৰ নাম কি আছিল Bhaskar Barman আছিল Question number 18. The founder of Salastambha dynasty was. Salastambha dynasty founder কোন আছিলে Salastambha. The answer is Salastambha. Question number 19. The capital of Holastambha dynasty was? Holastambha dynasty Rajdhani ki asile? The answer is Harupeshwar. Harupeshwar. Question number 20. The title Lord of the Mlecha was given to Lord of the Mlecha boli kak koa hoisile? Holastambha dynasty koa hoisile. Holastambha koa hoisile. Question number 21. The large tank in Tezpur known as Harjara Pukhuri is associated with Harjara Pukhuri kak dedicate kori kora hoisile bonwa hoisile Harjara Varman. Question number 22. The only gift Huan Sang accepted from Bhaskar Barman was Bhaskar Barmane dia upaharar bhitorot Huan Sange kuntu upahar accept korisile? A cap eta accept korisile. Question number 23. Huan Sang's account mentions that a famous port in Bay of Bengal was under the control of Bhaskar Barman. What was the name of that port? The answer is Tamra Lipti. ঠিক আছে? Question number 24. Bhaskar Barman attended the Grand Council at? The answer is Kannauj. Harshavardhane invite korisile Kannaujor Grand Council loi Bhaskar Barmanak. Question number 25. The ruins of the Da Parbatia belongs to? Kar homoyot bonwa hoisile Da Parbatia mondirtu? Later Gupta period. Gupta hokolor homoyot bonwa hoisile. Question number 26. The first king of the Pala dynasty was? Pala dynasty founder kun asile? The answer is Brahmapala. Question number 27. The capital of the Pala king Ratnapala was? Ratnapalar capital tur naam ki asile? Capital khonor naam ki asile? Durjaya, the impregnable. Question number 28. The first Pala dynasty who adopted the title of Parameshwar Parama Bhattaraka was? Kune a title to assume korisile, adopt korisile? Ratnapal. Question number 29. One of the animals widely used in wars in ancient Kamrup was? The answer is elephant. Question number 30. Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar invaded Kamrup on his way to? The answer is Tibet. Question number 31. The account of Muhammad Bakhtiyar Khilji's Kamrup invasion is given in? Code dia hoise detailed description to? Tabakat-i-Nashiri. Question number 32. The annihilation of Bakhtiyar Khilji's army is recorded in the inscription at? Kanai Barasi. Answer is Kanai Barasi. Question number 33. The Kamrup king whose army annihilated the Muslim army under Bakhtiyar Khilji. Kunjon Kamrupor Rajai Bakhtiyar Khilji horwaisile? Prithu. Answer is Prithu. Question number 34. First king of the Koch kingdom was? Answer is Biswasingha. Biswasingha prothom raja asile Koch kingdomor jodio Harya Mandal founder hoy. Question number 35. The capital of Koch kingdom was at? Koch kingdomor rajdhani kot asile? Answer is Koch Bihar. Question number 36. The Koch king who rebuilt the Kamakhya temple was? The answer is Naranarayan. Naranarayanak Mallodev bulio koa hoy. Kamakhya mondir tu teo rebuild korisile with the help of his brother Suklodhwaj or Silarai. Question number 37. The English traveler who visited Koch Kingdom under Narnarayan was? The answer is Ralph Fitch. Question number 38. Famous Kamrupi poet Hem Saraswati flourished during the reign of? The answer is Durlabh Narayan. Durlabh Narayaner সময়ত হেম সৰস্বতী আছিলে. Question number 39. Ratnamala composed by Purushottam Vidyavagish is a work on? The answer is grammar. Question number 40. Shankardev's most popular work is? কীৰ্তন ঘোষা. শংকৰদেৱৰ আটাইতকৈ পপুলাৰ গ্ৰন্থখন হ'ল কীৰ্তন ঘোষা. Question number 41. The Gohai Kamal Ali Road runs from? The answer is Koch Bihar to Narayanpur. Question number 42. The founder of Sutia dynasty was? Answer is Birpal. Question number 43. Hoti Hadhini was the queen of? The answer is Sutia king Nityapal. Sutia ৰজা নিত্যাপালৰ পত্নী আছিলে, ৰাণী আছিলে হতি হাধিনী. Question number 44. The shape of Koch coins Narayani taka was? Koch coin নক নাৰায়ণী টকা বুলি কোৱা হৈছিলে. শ্বেপটো কি আছিলে? The answer is round. Question number 45. Dimapur was the capital of? The answer is Kosari Kings. Dimapur was the first capital of the Kosari Kings. Question number 46. Last capital of the Kosari Kings was? Kosari Kingৰ last ৰাজধানী কি আছিলে কছাৰী ৰজাৰ? The answer is খাছপুৰ. খাছপুৰ আছিলে কছাৰীসকলৰ অন্তিম ৰাজধানী. Question number 47. Ahoms applied the term Thopita Sanchita to? Thopita Sanchita বুলি কাক কৈছিলে আহোমসকলে? Kosari Kings, Kosari ৰজাসকলক কৈছিলে. Question number 48. The Sutia kingdom was annexed by the Ahoms during the reign of? The answer is Suhungmung. Question number 49. The name of the first Ahom king was? আহোম ডাইনেষ্টিৰ ফাউণ্ডাৰৰ নাম কি আছিলে? ভেৰি ইজি, চুকাফা. Question number 50. The Ahoms entered Brahmaputra Valley in 1228 through? The answer is Patkai Pass. Question number 51. The first capital of the Ahom was? আহোমসকলৰ প্ৰথম ৰাজধানী ক'ত আছিলে? The answer is চৰাইদেউ. আহোমসকলৰ প্ৰথম ৰাজধানী চৰাইদেউ আছিলে. কেতিয়া এষ্টাব্লিছ কৰিছিলে? ইন 1253. ঠিক আছে. নেক্সট 52. The Ahoms first used the Saka era during the reign of? Answer is Suhungmung. Question number 53. The Puamokka at Hajo is associated with? The answer is Ghiyasuddin Aulia. Question number 54. The Morangikhua Gohai was the governor of. The answer is Morangi province. Question number 55. Borphukon was the governor of. The answer is Kamrup. Question number 56. Mula Gavoru died fighting against. কাৰ লগত যুদ্ধ কৰি মুৰা গাভৰুৱে বীৰ গতি প্ৰাপ্ত কৰিছিলে? Answer is Turbak. Question number 57. The first battle fought by the Ahoms against the Mughals was at. The answer is Bharali. Question number 58. The first Ahom Borborua was. প্ৰথম আহোম বৰবৰুৱা কোন আছিলে? The answer is Momai Tamuli Borborua. Question number 59. The post of Borphukon was first created by. Borphukon post to কোনে create কৰিছিলে? The answer is Pratap Singha. Question number 60. The Battle of Saraighat was fought in the year. Saraighator run কোনটো চনত হৈছিলে? আহোম আৰু মোগল সকলৰ মাজত হৈছিলে? The answer is 1671. Question number 61. The Mughal general who occupied Ghargaon was. Ghargaon capture কৰা মোগলৰ জেনেৰেল জনৰ নাম কি আছিলে? The answer is Mir Jumla. Question number 62. The Joysagar tank was excavated by. Joysagar tank কোনে excavate কৰিছিলে? The answer is Rudrasingha. Question number 63. The temple of Umananda was built by. Answer is Gadadhar Singha. Question number 64. The tallest existing temple in Assam is. আটাইতকৈ ওখ existing মন্দিৰ কোনটো? The answer is Shiva temple at Sibsagar. Question number 65. Posa system with the hill tribes was introduced by. Posa system কোনে আৱিষ্কাৰ কৰিছিল? The answer is Pratap Singha introduce কৰিছিলে. Question number 66. The title Bor Raja was given to. Bor Raja বুলি কাক কোৱা হৈছিলে? The answer is Fuleshwari. She was the queen of Shivasingha. Shivasinghৰ ৰাণী আছিলে তেওঁক বৰ ৰজা পাতিছিলে শিৱসিংহই. Question 67. Hasti Vidyarnava was composed during the reign of. Hasti Vidyarnava কোনে কম্প'জ কৰিছে? সুকুমাৰ বৰকাইত. কাৰ সময়ত কম্প'জ কৰিছিলে? The answer is Shivasingha. শিৱসিংহৰ সময়ত হস্তি বিদ্যাৰ্ণভা বুকখন কম্প'জ কৰিছে সুকুমাৰ বৰকাইতে. Question number 68. The Ahom monarch who was offered the hand of Kuranga Noyani, daughter of the Raja of Manipur. The answer is Rajeshwar Singha. Rajeshwar Singha Kuranga Noyani লগত বিয়া হৈছিলে. She was the queen of Rajeshwar Singha. Question number 69. During the Moamoria rebellion, when the Morans occupied Rangpur, who shifted the Ahom headquarters to Jorhat? The answer is Purnananda Buragohai. Question number 70. Saraideo was made the capital of the Ahoms by Sukafa in. 1253. The answer is 1253. Question number 71. Prince Mongoldoi, daughter of the Koch king Raghudev, was offered to the Ahom monarch. The answer is Pratap Singha. Question number 72. The river Bhogdoi that flows through the town of Jorhat was dug at the behest of Premier Purnananda Buragohai in the year. Bhogdoi নদী কোনটো বছৰত কোনটো বৰ্ষত খান্দিছিলে পূৰ্ণানন্দ বুঢ়াগোহাঁই এইটো হ'ল answer is 1801. Question number 73. First Ahom monarch to assume the title of Swarganarayan. Swarganarayanar upadhitu prothom kunjon Ahom rajai loisile. The answer is Suhungmung. Question number 74. The Righavan ceremony was performed by. The answer is Suklengmung and Sudoifa or Tes Singha. Suklengmung aru Tes Singha ba Sudoifai Righavan ceremony patisile. Question number 75. The Ahom coronation hall Singari Ghar was constructed of. Singari Ghar kihere nirman kora hoisile. The answer is wood. Question number 76. The Treaty of Khiladhari Ghat between Jayadhar Singha and Mirzumla was signed on. Khiladhari Ghat Sukti kuntu sonot sign kora hoisile 23rd January 1663. Question number 77. Fatia I Ibriya was written by. The answer is Shahabuddin Talish. Question number 78. Shape of the Ahom coins was. The answer is octagonal. Atkuni asile. Question number 79. The Lakshmi Narayan hologram was brought into Ahom palace by. The answer is Sudangfa. Question number 80. Who was known as Buddhi Swarga Narayan? Buddhi Swarga Narayan বুলি কাক জনা হৈছিলে? The answer is Pratap Singha. Pratap Singhak Buddhi Swarga Narayan বুলিও কৈছিলে, বুঢ়া ৰজা বুলিও কোৱা হৈছিলে. Question number 81. Who named his small kingdom in Brahmaputra Valley Mungdung Sukhan? The answer is Sukafa. Sukafar prothom kingdom khonor naam Mungdung Sukhan বুলি থৈছিলে. Question number 82. Which post was created by Suhungmung? The answer is Borpatra Gohai. Question number 83. The first Borfukon was. Prothomjon Borfukon কোন asile? The answer is Langi Panisia. Question number 84. Who has been described as Assam's Vikramaditya? Ahomor Vikramaditya বুলি কাক জনা হয়? The answer is Naranarayan. Naranarayanok জনা হয় Ahomor Vikramaditya বুলি. Question number 85. The brave Ahom general Frosengmung was appointed as the first. The answer is Hodia Khua Gohai. Prothom Hodia Khua Gohai Frosengmung asile. Question number 86. Mula Gabhoru, the brave wife of Frosengmung, died fighting against. কাৰ লগত যুদ্ধ কৰোঁতে মূলা গাভৰুৱে বীৰ গতি প্ৰাপ্ত কৰিছিলে? The answer is Turbak. Question number 87. During whose reign was the Battle of Alaboy fought? Alaboy যুদ্ধ কাৰ সময়ত হৈছিলে? The answer is Sakradhar Singha. Question number 88. In the Battle of Horaighat of 1671, Mughal forces were led by Assamese forces were led by Lasit Borphukan. Who led the Mughal forces? The answer is Ram Singh. Question number 89. The last battle in 1682 which ended the long drawn Ahom Mughal conflict was Ahom Mughaলৰ মাজত হোৱা অন্তিমখন যুদ্ধৰ নাম কি আছিল? The answer is Battle of Itakhuli, Itakhuli's Run. Question number 90. In 1680, Bhotai Deka Soikia, Oghana Kosari and Madan Tamuli assassinated. Bhotai Deka Soikia, Oghana Kosari আৰু মদন তামুলীয়ে কাৰ হত্যা কৰিছিলে? The answer is লালুখোলা বৰফুকন. লালুখোলা বৰফুকনক assassinate কৰিছিলে. Question number 91. Who offered a sum of 4 lakh rupees for handing over of Guwahati to লালুখোলা বৰফুকন? লালুখোলা বৰফুকনক 4 লাখ টকা কোনে অফাৰ কৰিছিলে গুৱাহাটীখন দি দিবলৈ without any resistance? Muhammad Azam or Sultan Azam Tara? Muhammad Azam was son of Aurangzeb. Question number 92. Who was known as Lora Raja? Lora Raja বুলি কাক জনা হৈছিলে? The answer is Sulikfa. Question number 93. Who founded the Dumduni Gurudwara at Dhubri in 1669? The answer is Guru Tegh Bahadur. Question number 94. The title Pratap Vallabh was conferred on Kolia Bhumra Borphukan for suppressing the rebellion of Haradatta by কোনে প্ৰতাপ বল্লভ উপাধিটো দিছিলে কলিয়া ভুমৰা বৰফুকনক? কমলেশ্বৰ সিংহই দিছিলে উপাধিটো প্ৰতাপ বল্লভ কলিয়া ভুমৰা বৰফুকনক. Question number 95. Gohai Kamal Ali, which extended from Coach Bihar to Narayanpur, was constructed during the reign of কাৰ সময়ত Gohai Kamal Aliৰ ৰাস্তাটো নিৰ্মাণ কৰা হৈছিলে? The answer is Naranaran. Question number 96. The amphitheater known as Rangghar was built at Rangpur by Rangghar কোনে নিৰ্মাণ কৰিছিলে? The answer is Pramotta Singha. Question number 97. The Ahom king who planned an invasion of Bengal was কোনে বেংগলক আক্ৰমণ কৰা প্লেন বনাইছিলে? The answer is Rudra Singha. But তেওঁ প্লেনটো success কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে because he died before executing the plan. Question number 98. The first Muamuriya uprising started in the reign of Muamuriya বিদ্ৰোহ কাৰ সময়ত আৰম্ভ হৈছিলে? The answer is লক্ষ্মী সিংহৰ সময়ত মুৱামৰীয়া বিদ্ৰোহ আৰম্ভ হৈছিলে. Question number 99. Who shifted the Ahom capital from Ghargaon to Rangpur? Ghargaon পৰা ৰংপুৰলৈ Ahom capital কোনে shift কৰিছিলে? The answer is Rudra Singha. Question number 100. Who invited the Burmese to Assam? Burmese সকলক অসমলৈ আহিবলৈ নিমন্ত্ৰণ কোনে কৰিছিলে? The answer is Badan Chandra Borphukan. Question number 101. Who were the leaders of Dondua Droh? Dondua Drohৰ মূল নায়ক কোন আছিলে? হৰদত্ত এণ্ড বীৰদত্ত. Question number 102. During the Ahom rule, weaving was made compulsory. Who introduced it? The answer is Momai Tamuli. Question number 103. When did Burmese first invade Assam? Burmese-সকল অসমলৈ প্ৰথম কেতিয়া আহিছিলে? First Burmese invasion. The answer is 1817. 1817 চনত প্ৰথমবাৰ বাৰ্মিসকল অসমলৈ আহিছিলে। Question number 4. The temple of Navagraha was built during the reign of নৱগ্ৰহ মন্দিৰ কাৰ সময়ত নিৰ্মাণ কৰা হৈছিলে? The answer is ৰাজেশ্বৰ সিংহৰ সময়ত। Question number 105. What was the capital of the Matok Kingdom? মুৱামৰীয়া ৰিভল্টৰ পিছত মটক ৰাজ্য ফৰ্ম হৈছিলে। মটক ৰাজ্যৰ কেপিটেল কি আছিলে? বেংমাৰা, that is the present day Tinsukia region. Question number 106. When was the Treaty of Yandabu signed? Yandabu সন্ধি কেতিয়া সাইন কৰা হৈছিলে? The answer is 24 February 1826. Question number 107. What was the last capital of the Ahom kings? First capital Saraideo asile. Last capital ki asile? Ahom hokolor. Jorhat. Question number 108. Who was the last Ahom king? Prothom Ahom king Sukafa asile. Last Ahom Raja kun asile? The answer is Purandhar Singha. Question number 109. First Anglo-Burmese War কেতিয়া হৈছিলে? The answer is 1824. Question number 110. The Fulaguri uprising took place in The answer is 1861. Question number 111. The British officer who was beaten to death during uprising in Assam was কোনজন ব্ৰিটিছ অফিচাৰক মাৰি হত্যা কৰা হৈছিলে? Lieutenant Singer. Question number 112. Who was the Khasi chief who declared war against British? The answer is Tirat Singh. Question number 113. When was the Matok territory annexed to the British Dominion? The answer is 1842. Question number 114. Patharughat Ron কেতিয়া হৈছিলে? The answer is 28 January 1894. Who was the first British commissioner in Assam? Question number 115. প্ৰথমজন British commissioner অসমৰ কোন আছিলে? The answer is David Scott. Question number 116. Who compiled a descriptive account of Assam? কোনে লিখিছিলে a descriptive account of Assam? The answer is William Robinson. Question number 117. Who was the leader of the revolt of 1857 in Assam? The answer is Moniram Dewan. Question number 118. What was the important political organization in Assam till the foundation of Assam Provincial Congress in 1921? The correct answer is Assam Association. Question number 119. Who was the first Assamese to be a member of the Indian civil service প্ৰথমজন ইণ্ডিয়ান civil servant কোন আছিলে The correct answer is Anandaram Borua. Anandaram Borua was the first Indian civil servant from Assam. Last question. Question number 120. When did Gandhiji first visited Assam? Gandhiji অসমলৈ প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে কেতিয়া আহিছিল? And the correct answer is 1921. So বন্ধুসকল এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত ইমানেই ভিডিঅ'টো যদি ভাল লাগিলে লাইক কৰিব চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব কাৰণ এনেকুৱা ইনফৰমেটিভ ভিডিঅ'ছ আগলৈ আহি থাকিব So আজিলৈ আহিছো Everybody take care bye bye